Where are we going, bub?
In the beach.
Oop. Careful. What you doing, babe? You're not gonna fall down. Come on. Sorry. Okay, baby. Here, babe. So we're looking for the fairy ponds at Easter. It's a bit of a walk, but it's a beautiful walk. You okay to keep walking, babe? Okay. It's the most beautiful nature walk ever. Noosa National Park. Oh, you're right. You silly duffer. Baby? Why do you want to put your hat on?
Yeah.
Thank you. You're upside down, Bull. Woo woo. Yeah. Thank you, baby. Watch out, come on, this side, this side, this side. Come on. You gonna put your glasses on? You're silly. Come on, this way. Keep going. Keep going. Go ahead. Come on, keep going. Hey, Isabel, don't be disgusting. Don't. Keep going. Keep walking.